Pete, how you doing?
I'm just fine, Evel. But my name's Dan. Pete and I switched beds. You're really here.
Said I'd be.
I told those guys you wouldn't forget.
Jack, I was just held up for a little while. Here, I brought you something. Here.
Gee, thanks.
Now, don't you wreck them both today.
Don't worry.
I want to go see the rest of the kids.
Sure.
Hey, Pete.
Evel!
Back off, little guy.
Quiet, you guys. Sorry, I forgot about your accident. How you feeling?
How do I look?
Super.
That's me, super evil. How's everything?
Fine. How you doing? Evel! Oh, Evel!
Hey, how you doing? What's going on? How you doing? How you guys doing? Look what I brought you.
All right. Evel! Evel, look! Look at me! When I saw you walk away from that crash in England, I figured I could do it too. You're the reason I'm walking, Evel. You're the reason.
Oh, Wally, that's great. I knew you could do it. I'm so proud of you. So proud.
Thanks.